Top 5 expensive private jets. Airbus A380 Custom. Price: approximately $500 million. Featuring a luxurious custom interior for ultra-high net worth individuals. Boeing 747-8 VIP. Price: around $367 million. Offering immense space for personalized interiors and exclusive amenities. Airbus A340-500 Custom. Price: about $300 million. Customized for private use with extravagant finishes and comfort. Gulfstream G650 Air. Price: approximately $70 million. Known for its long-range capabilities and top-notch luxury features. Bombardier Global 7500. Price: around $72 million. Providing exceptional range and opulent cabin design for discerning travelers.